Baking soda, that humble white powder sitting quietly in your kitchen cabinet, may be the most overlooked health remedy for seniors. Yes, baking soda. Known scientifically as sodium bicarbonate, this simple compound does more than just make cakes rise or eliminate odors from your fridge. For seniors battling the daily challenges of aging, baking soda can offer surprising relief from common health problems. And science backs it up. Let's explore the 5 health problems that start disappearing when seniors use baking soda correctly. 1. Acid reflux and heartburn. Let's start with one of the most frustrating conditions that plague seniors: acid reflux and heartburn. As we age, the muscles that control the lower esophageal sphincter weaken, making it easier for stomach acid to back up into the esophagus. The result is a burning sensation in the chest, a bitter taste in the mouth, and sometimes even a chronic cough or sore throat. Antacids are often prescribed or purchased over the counter, but baking soda can work just as effectively. When a small amount of baking soda is dissolved in water and consumed, it acts as a natural antacid. It neutralizes stomach acid almost instantly, providing relief within minutes. 2. Urinary tract infections. Urinary tract infections, UTIs, are not only uncomfortable, but they can also be dangerous if left untreated in older adults. They occur more frequently in older adults, especially women, due to changes in bladder function and a reduced immune response. Although antibiotic pills are usually needed to treat the infection, baking soda can relieve the burning and discomfort while waiting for the full effect of treatment. Because baking soda raises the pH of the urine, it creates a more alkaline environment that can slow the growth of harmful bacteria. This can have a soothing effect on the lining of the urinary tract and temporarily relieve symptoms such as burning and urgency when urinating. 3. Arthritis and joint pain. Joint pain and arthritis are among the most common complaints among seniors. The constant aches and stiffness that accompany conditions like osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis can significantly reduce a person's mobility and quality of life. Interestingly, baking soda has gained prominence as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Research suggests that a daily dose of baking soda can help stimulate the body to produce anti-inflammatory immune cells, reducing the number of cells that promote inflammation. For seniors who suffer from chronic joint pain, taking baking soda diluted in water as part of a regular wellness routine can reduce the overall inflammatory response, leading to less swelling and discomfort over time. 4. Kidney health. Kidney function also declines as part of the natural aging process. Older adults often have difficulty filtering waste and maintaining proper pH balance, especially those with early or advanced chronic kidney disease. The surprising thing is that baking soda can actually help protect kidney function when used correctly. The logic is that baking soda helps neutralize acidity in the blood, reducing the burden on the kidneys. This reduces the progression of metabolic acidosis, a dangerous condition common in people with compromised kidney function. 5. Skin irritations and itching. Skin becomes thinner and more fragile with age, and this often leads to increased sensitivity, itchiness, and a higher risk of irritation from various external factors. Dry patches, eczema, allergic reactions, and bug bites can all cause tremendous discomfort for seniors. Fortunately, baking soda offers a natural way to calm and relieve inflamed or irritated skin. It acts as a mild exfoliant and neutralizer, soothing itchiness and redness when added to a warm bath or used as a paste. A baking soda bath is particularly helpful for elderly individuals who suffer from chronic dry skin or eczema, as it gently softens the skin and calms inflammation without introducing synthetic chemicals. Who are interested in trying baking soda remedies should always start with very small doses and consult their healthcare providers before integrating it into their routine. When used properly and with medical guidance, baking soda becomes not just a cleaning agent or baking ingredient, but a surprisingly effective part of a senior's wellness toolkit. If this video helped you, imagine what our next one will do. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay ahead of the curve.